Alright, let's get wavy.
Tjetër në tradhës, dhe më thonë episodi 4, ju di që nuk po dalë episodi chainsawman okej, chainsawman okej. Shkërë, të kënë në të shëpër të kënë që po në fundet. Edhe po, dhe më thonë në orë me video në trash tjetërën, edhe është episodi 4, e vona është tjetërën në dita në radhës, për arsye se e kam clear dhe më thonë ditën edhe muj me bëha videon, se më të bëha. Me tu jam me përfundu krejt, për arsye të të shkërëm se duhet kohë e gjallë. Në që jo shumë e gjallë, të këtu, edhe shkërë arë dhe më thonë, edhe shkërë backstory dhe më thonë të power.
Unless you want to end all 9 lives of this cat, bring me a human being.
Every life is equally trivial, and is merely a cat. So why do I run in search of a human? Simply to save Meowie? Such a foolish reason. I love blood, the taste, the smell, the sense of mortality. And then I happen upon a more recent discovery. Blood is nice and warm. It feels pleasant. Why did you save me? I attempted to kill you. Such a foolish reason. Please forgive my deceit. Since Meowie is safe, you may touch my chest.
Oh yeah! Shit on a stick! reason! Must not have enough blood.
You're the one who killed Batty, right? Just when I finally managed to track down my man, I find him cut open by a shrimp! Oh, you're pretty easy on the eyes, too. It'd be a tragedy to kill such studs, so you're free to go. There we die. Have it your way.
Second final.
Cute, even the way you bark is darling. So precious I could just eat you up.
If you beat me in a dream battle, then you can do whatever the hell you
Denjit jam fare, men onder tas thjesht çfarë lëftime kaj. Që të kalën se djemlën të forta.
That'll be good.
She appears to be the leech devil. May I swallow?
Do it. Leech Devil's extermination confirmed. You rookies are to aid and evacuate survivors.
Sir!
Since you are a senior, you watch for more devils you may know.
On it.
In the dream battle, I'm gonna win for sure.
Both you and the Blood Fiend need to be debriefed. So let's go.
What of Meowie?
Get the cat to a veterinarian for a full checkup. In case you're wondering, we found your arm. It reattached when you got a blood transfusion. You really are like a devil.
Seems pretty chummy with the devil for a guy who hates them. At least that's how it looked.
Your ignorance is astounding. Hunters form contracts with devils in order to fight against them. The one I was chummy with is the Fox Devil. As per our contract, I feed it part of my body and it lends me its power. Fed it some skin this time.
Sounds painful.
Devils always yearn for the deaths of humans. And fiends are no exception.
Power's cool. She's a good one.
Surveillance camera footage caught you and your partner headed out of your patrol area. What's more, a lengthy trail of your blood was found leading to a house we believe the bad devil was hiding in. Admit it, the Blood Fiend tried to kill you, didn't she? I'm baffled yet again. You sympathize with devils every time.
Weird. I wonder what's up with that.
My daughter was hoping she could talk to the chainsaw guy.
And tell him thanks. I was frozen in terror when those two devils crashed into my workplace. I might not have run if the one in the public safety uniform hadn't snapped me out of it.
He said, I don't give a shit about this guy, and threw my car with me in it. Some creep with a chainsaw for him.
So the guy was important. Wait.
If I dig deeper into this and report what I find to the higher-ups, you and the Blood Fiend you covered for will be disposed of. Thankfully, there were no fatalities. If you can accept my one single condition, I'll let this thing slide. Follow all of my commands to the letter. You're a dumbass with a broken moral compass. Whereas I've been doing this long enough to have a solid grasp on social ethics. Want to protect your lifestyle? I highly suggest you listen to me. Okay? Answer if you understand.
Yeah. I'll keep that in mind for you. Just relax, dude. Sure, I ain't exactly shooting for the stars over here like you pro-dreamers with Ross and Coles. I am serious about this. The same amount as you. Meaning you can count on me.
For now, try to learn some manners.
Okay. I'll keep that one in mind for you, too.
See? Am I not innocent? Now, since you're aware, kindly remove these.
You sure about this? day, bam, it's gonna be on you for letting her live today.
We have to take advantage of every tool at our disposal in our line of work, which includes the very things we hunt. They're still the enemy. We're just using them. I refuse to make friends with one.
Yes, come in.
Pardon the intrusion. They were outside the patrol zone before they knew it, or so Denjit claims. Their extended stroll led them to a house that appeared, quote, super sketch, and upon investigating, they found the bag. Denjit used his chainsaws to destroy the bat devil. Then the leech devil instigated a counterattack. Special Division 4 handled that threat. We examined both of the targets' heads. Neither held any traces of gun flesh. That concludes my report.
Excellent work. But I do have a concern. Denji and Power got rather far before anyone noticed they had left.
No one had fully accounted for how stupid they are.
They just abandoned their pre-approved area. A breach of conduct.
I believe it's worth overlooking on this occasion. Because of them, we were able to exterminate 2 devils without a single casualty.
Very well then.
Thank you. Evening, ma'am.
I can't help but notice you seem more flexible these days. Makes me wonder if Denji's influence is responsible.
Doubtful. I'm the exact same guy I've always been. Nothing's changed.
Aşağıda bir düşün. Sen alacağım arkadaşlar. Ultimate sandwich is back. Tamam, plus Alex Mjörk. Plus Alex sitter säkert i min största. Kaffen kvar, så han kan bra.
What you making for lunch?
Curry.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's wrong?
The hell? Devils do house calls?
Well. What a dismal abode you have here.
Your apartment can comfortably house 3 people, and I'd like it if Power was one of them. Denji and Power are still a little too untamed. They could use a good leash like you.
I won't argue that, but why's my place psychocentral?
Because I know that space is secure enough, and I also trust you more than anybody else.
Now, give me my super toast back!
Super toast. Ja, gewoon ultimate, not super toast. Ultimate.
Oh, great.
It'd be a little odd to have her staying at the office indefinitely. Yes. I see. Power assured me that she would be on her best behavior, so there's really no reason to worry. It'll be fine.
Foul vegetables! Be gone!
Oh boy. That's... Książ delivery Naruto skilluk. Orange. Alleen portugal, bar, portugal, Naruto. En zo meestal around zet honger,
Hey, do not throw your food!
What he said! Respect! The farmers who took the time to grow these veggies! Damn devil!
Yeah, my funny moments.
The toilet? I'm the type who seldom flushes my feces.
Not in this house.
That's nasty.
I'm the type who seldom chooses to bathe.
Get your butt in there!
You totally reek!
Humans are so delicate. Far too obsessed with remaining clean. Aren't they, meowie wowie?
Can't believe she just shows up and starts raising hell. Even devils should flush. Didn't eat her veggies either.
You there.
Ah, well, if it isn't...
Devils should flush. Uff, какая жить, Nese to jeszcze raz nastała. Sorry, też Denjit myślę też, że komputer Naruto.
The shit devil whose turds turn to cement and stick to the bowl!
Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
We had a deal, did we not? My chest is yours for the fondling. Fondle away.
Fondle away.
What's the matter? Aren't you exhilarated? Commence your caressing. You are thrice blessed. Which means you've earned the honor of squeezing my chest 3 times.
Why'd I get 3?
Once for safely rescuing my cat. Slaying the bat devil got you a 2nd one. And your 3rd is for protecting me, even when Top Knot was interrogating you. I had no intention of letting you do this at first. But I should repay you, yes? Somehow. So squeeze them gratefully.
Oh, let's go. Together. Nice.
She's an angel.
Wait, you can't more about episodi 4 po të diçka shumë speciale përveç atyre që bashkëpunë në fillim kur ke me Slug Devils qysh ke, domethënë edhe kjo diçka shumë interesant edhe çka po të interesant vet funny moments kur erën në apartament të Akit edhe diçka që nuk po të diçka tepër ekstreme. Diçka që më pëlqen interesante është ajo te Dream Battle Royale, dhe me vojnë Battle Royale Dream është diçka shumë interesante, është tepër interesant. Kështu që po nëse ju ka pëlqyer, like, subscribe, share, comment, edhe sa në ndryshme që mundi me bo. Edhe po më tregu pak si kom qeni Discord edhe linkën e Discordit e kam qitë poshtë në qëtë video edhe po dhe më thonë hajtë në Discord e bona një server të madh shtina plot veta të mbrana edhe muna me rritë në 7 channelin për me bo pak ma të madh edhe muna me bo sene ma të ndryshme, muna me rritë kualitetin të sene ndryshme edhe po kom fillu pak me i nol ato review që i kom lanë në ju mi nol kejt komplet, po adin tash kemi me bo nështë edhe rrë me heret do të me munu tash me bo edhe në jo në gjuhën anglese për arsye më të lënë atë channel tjetër për me vdek një farë mënyre edhe se ka mor 5.000 views i ka mor erë në kalunë në 94 lajka që diçka që nuk kom rrit kur për një channel që i ka vetëm do më të subscribe po edhe ata këtë subscribe në qëtë shok dhe më thonë nuk kom rrit po që kjo banë një share, like, subscribe edhe krejt se kanë blerë gjitha këtu në fillim kanë gjithmonë blerë edhe gjithmonë mund me pas blerë po në fillim kanë ma shumë blerë për aty se e bojnë këtë kanal më rrit edhe me po në dikush tjetër edhe me konë ti vetëmi që shikon këtë kanal sepse channel e marru për mu shiku për një community të madh ju për një sen për shumë të vogël po kështu që këtë video në që ka pëlqy mos harroni edhe po shihemi në video tjetër, shihemi në episodin 5, 6, 7 8 jena të aty, 8 që vetëm sa kish dalë, edhe dete mora në 8 që në lanqe, ta një presim çdo javë për me dalë 10, 11, 12, 13 këto episodet e tjera, këto që shkojnë edhe të përfundojnë.